Wouldn't it be great if you could predict when it's time to replace the furnace or air conditioner in your Boise, Idaho home or business? Of course, the best time to replace your heating and cooling equipment is before it breaks down. If your system is more than 12 years old, it's time to consider a new one. As Boise's leading HVAC replacement company and an independent American Standard heating and air conditioning dealer, we always provide you with options to upgrade your furnace, heat pump, or air conditioner. American Standard provides a broad range of high-efficiency heating and cooling products. Many are even ENERGY STAR rated. The benefits of upgrading to a new furnace or AC system are greater efficiency, increased comfort, better airflow, less noise, and a reduced carbon footprint. Remember, the most important day of your new furnace or air conditioner is the day it's installed. A professional installation will ensure that your equipment runs at peak performance. Call on the experts at Peppy Heating and Cooling, Boise's leading furnace replacement and AC replacement company. Get Hoppin' Goods service. Call 208-906-6928 today.